Alright guys, so this is going to be our next commission build. So a customer asked us to order this in the Nobell Gundam Berserker mode. This is obviously from the G Gundam series, a pretty old series, which actually I personally have just watched. Got lots of Gundam in there. So here's the box art. This is quite, I think this is quite a rare Gundam. But still one of the few female Gundams that's ever been made. So let's have a look inside. So here's inside. Got a manual. Yeah. So yeah, looks. You can see all this is the God Gundam. This is kind of like the after building the RG God Gundam. This customer wanted this Lady Gundam, so we got it for him, and we're going to build it for him as well. This is a HG, so yeah, just not too difficult from the looks of it. Yeah, and it even has this nice hair piece. I think it's quite makes it quite unique in that sense. Yep. In terms of the parts, not many runners, about 4 or 5 only. Yeah, you can see here. Quite interesting, it comes with a stand as well, for a HG kit with a stand, right? This is not a P-Bandai, just a regular kit, but quite an old. This is the hair piece we mentioned, we looked at just now. Very nice orange yellow color to it. And then here's the main parts, runner A obviously, and then the pink, shocking pink parts. This actually looks like a kind of a silvery, metallic purple part as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and start building this Lady Gundam, the Berserker Nobell. so the build is complete. Took me maybe about 3-4 hours or less. So here's it. Just bring it a bit closer to here. Right. Yeah, anyway. Sorry, the focus not so good, but basically it's quite a cool character. Look at the hair. The hair is really cool. It has this particular handpiece as well, like it's doing the peace sign, I think, and a nice ribbon here. Yeah, and you notice that it has all those metallic purple parts as well, violet parts. Even the inner frame, the frame parts are also like a gunmetal color as well, which is quite unique and a bit rare when it comes to Gundam kits or Bandai kits. So you obviously get another beam saber as well, and a couple of hands. So the one that's kind of impressive is this stand that comes with it. I'm not sure how to use this one, but I guess you can. There is an instruction, you can just put it up here, but I don't know how do you pose it. But anyway, I'll figure it out later. So anyway, this has been quite a fun build, easy build as well, being a HG kit. I think this particular kit is also slightly rare, but not as rare as the original Nobell Gundam. Okay, so hopefully this video has been useful and been entertaining for you. Till the next video we meet up again. Thank you.